Okay, I'm going to do side coupler today. This coupler is here, and to do that I have to be able to shove this shaft back there so you can see our front here. And first things first, I need to remove the driveline. I need to remove this bolt and also the bulb filter. Quite a bit of stuff to take out, but let's begin. Oil filter, including the housing. So the drain, this comes out. Next, I'm just going to remove this bolt. Next, I'm going to take the front half, the front end of the driveline. Okay, driveline is ready to come out. Knock a little bit there. Now we have plenty of room here. Later I'm going to shove this through here to get it out. I need to remove or lower the front differential. This is right here. This will allow me to swing the shaft over. Taking out the horseshoe bracket. This thing is great, isn't it? Very powerful. Big battery. The horseshoe. And then, almost ready, I have to take out the front side of the bolt. This one here is a little bit tricky because it needs Phillip. And you only take out 3. It's hard to see too. Yeah, that's one. Tougher to get to. Yeah. Okay. Now we got 3. Next is the tricky part. We have to split the front coupler from the front bearing, and I'm going to use this to make it really quick. That's loose. Okay. But not ready to come out yet, because we have to move the front accessory forward. Okay. It's all out. Now I'm going to move the whole accessory forward, just like that. Okay. Now here's the trick that I use that'll make it a lot easier to pull the shaft out. Just lift up the whole accessory cage. Lift it up with my jack as far as I can. Should be plenty to come out. See, I move it sideways like that. See, I move the sideway toward this opening here, and as you can see up here, I have plenty of room to go. I hope I'm not in the way here. And this part come out like that. Okay. And here we go. That's it. And once we replace this, we'll put it right back. Leave everything there. It won't be that hard. Next segment, putting it back in.